Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a good discussion about sales systems at the category board. Just an update from me on what we're doing in Europe with Speed MyQuotes. So firstly, to explain, we have developed a package of tools. We've called it Speed My Tools, made up of 4 applications. The first one is Speed My iCabs and My Tickets, and that basically allows field-based staff to access iCabs customer information in the field, so contract information and CCM ticket information. We, in the process of developing Speed My Agenda, which very simply allows the salesperson to manage their diary linked to Google. The other piece relates to Speed My KPIs, and this is something that we're going to be developing later on in the year. And then finally, Speed My Quotes, and that's something that I'm going to talk to you a little bit about now. So Hygiene Speed My Quotes, this was launched in June 2015, and actually at the time it was a standalone web-based app used by the hygiene-only salespeople. So in Spain we do have some salespeople who sell both pest and hygiene, so standalone. Then in December 2015 we received a request from Jesus and the team to satisfy 2 business problems. So firstly, the removal of 14 FTEs. So he was looking to take a number of people out of the customer care and admin team. So we were asked to develop the interface between Speed My Quotes and iCabs so that the data, contracts and jobs automatically flowed and uploaded into iCabs. And together with that, we were also asked to implement a new pricing model. So the first version of the pricing model went live back in June 2015, and Eleanor brought the Spanish, Portuguese and Italian teams together to agree a pricing model for Southern Europe, and that really focuses on gross margin, the discounting that goes with that, and also pricing related to customer density. So during that process, Dan McCormick's team have helped develop reusable APIs. So we've talked about that recently, and that allows the automatic creation of contracts in jobs and iCabs. And with little or no enhancement, then we'll be able to use those APIs in other markets to connect other systems. We've implemented along the way a whole new set of sales and sales management processes before upgrading to the Speed My Quotes platform. So Jesus and the team decided to implement the new processes before the technology. And then during the UAT phase, we refined the pricing model 3 times actually. And that was a lot to do with the focus on gross margin and tweaking some of the parameters, and also a difference in perception on how pricing should be done versus how it was being done in the field. So there was some really rich information that came out of that. And just before we went live in June 2016, we applied the pest-specific requirements to the solution to create a pest control version of Speed My Quotes. So this is what it looks like. So we've got the My Quotes application passing data through the enterprise service bus and directly into iCab. So very simple model. What does the system look like? So I've just got a few screenshots here. This is the salesperson's homepage. On the left-hand side, we've got the icons there that allow them to edit, reject, copy, delete various quotes. Then we've got certain customer and quotation information. And then on the right-hand side, there's probably difficult for you to see on the screen there, but this is where the salesperson has the opportunity to produce a quote, which actually creates a Word document. And then the final step of the process is the automatic upload into iCabs. Just a few more slides then, just to show you. So it's a very structured approach to creating the contract or the quote. First thing, looks at the customer market segment, then goes on to build up the price on a template. And the next information to be selected is the pest that we're treating, the preparation that we're going to use to treat that. And as we go through that, other information is captured, and then we can see, and here again, you probably won't be able to see it, but in the top right-hand corner, we can see there that we've got a 65% gross margin and the salesperson then has the opportunity to discount with the mandatory need to specify the reason for the discount, and then ultimately the quote can be converted to a contract. So hopefully that's given you a feel for what we're doing in Europe, and that's all from me. Bye-bye.